Spaghetti with meatballs. Ingredients: 1 pound spaghetti, 1 pound ground beef, 1/3 c. breadcrumbs, 1/4 c. finely chopped parsley, 1/4 c. freshly grated Parmesan, plus more for serving, 1 egg, 2 garlic cloves, minced, kosher salt, half a teaspoon red pepper flakes, 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, half c. onion, finely chopped, 1 28-ounce can crushed tomatoes, 1 bay leaf, freshly ground black pepper. Directions: in a large pot of boiling salted water, cook spaghetti according to package instructions. Drain. In a large bowl, combine beef with breadcrumbs, parsley, Parmesan, egg, garlic, 1 teaspoon salt, and red pepper flakes. Mix until just combine, then form into 16 balls. In a large pot over medium heat, heat oil. Add meatballs and cook, turning occasionally, until browned on all sides, about 10 minutes. Transfer meatballs to a plate. Add onion to pot and cook until soft, 5 minutes. Add crushed tomatoes and bay leaf. Season with salt and pepper and bring to a simmer. Return meatballs to pot and cover. Simmer until sauce has thickened, 8 to 10 minutes. Serve pasta with a healthy scoop of meatballs and sauce. Top with Parmesan before serving.